What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel of Canvas Apparel. You're rocking with your boy Jamel. Man, it feels good to do another video and to see all y'all watch the video and go out and purchase the designs. Today we're gonna do a little bit of digitizing, and all this stuff is gonna be sped up, so we don't be sitting here all day trying to watch me digitize and stitch out a design. We're gonna do a little bit of digitizing, and then I'm gonna throw in a little bit of the video of me actually stitching out the design. The design that we're going to be stitching out today is this applique cat embroidery design. So if you want to go ahead and go to my Etsy page and purchase that design right there, the link is in the description, everybody. So y'all go ahead and click that link and it'll take you straight to my Etsy page, and you can go out and purchase that design. It also will be in numerous sizes, and it also will be in a full stitch out for the people who don't want to do applique. So y'all go ahead, hit that link in the description, go to my Etsy page, get you a Halloween design. All right, without further ado, we just gonna go ahead and get straight to the video. And if you like what you see, everybody, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And to all my returning subscribers, man, how y'all been doing out there? Y'all go down in the comments, let me know how y'all been doing. Y'all see me, I'm getting a little old. I ain't getting old, but I'm just getting some gray hair. I don't know why I'm getting it this early, but I'm getting it. But whatever, that's neither here nor there. So we gonna go straight to the video, and y'all let me know. Y'all like the design? Y'all hit that link in the description, man. Show some support for your boy, all right? Peace. Yo, so this is the cat design that we just digitized and embroidered. Y'all see it, applique design. I also have this design in a full stitch out. So if you want to get this design for some Halloween shirts, or you just want to make some shirts for your kids, or even a shirt for yourself, go ahead and hit that link in the description. And yeah, go ahead and purchase the design. It's gonna come in different machine formats. So make sure when you go to my Etsy page, make sure you check the description link to see if the file for your machine is in there. All right, it's gonna come in probably like 3 or 4 different sizes, so make sure the size that you need or the size that you're looking for is in the description, everybody. I want to thank everybody for watching the video, and if you like what you see, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notification bell. And when I post a new video, sorry about that, you will get a notification letting you know that I post a new video, and y'all can run over and see what I'm doing on the new video. All right, so thank y'all for watching. I'm about to go get me something to eat because I'm hungry. You feel me? I'm starving. Other than that, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.